In working with Australian partner visa 820 or 309 cases, HTE Law Group often sees people focus heavily on evidence of their relationship and shared life. This is indeed important, but the sponsor's eligibility also needs to be checked carefully. Under Australian migration rules, not every Australian citizen or permanent resident can sponsor a partner in all situations. To reduce misuse of the partner sponsorship framework, the law places certain limits on who can sponsor. Therefore, before you start your application, you should review the sponsor's sponsorship history and see whether your situation fits the current rules. Here are 3 important types of limits commonly assessed. 1. Limits on how many times a person has sponsored a partner. In many situations, an Australian citizen or permanent resident can only sponsor partners a limited number of times, and past sponsorships can affect their ability to sponsor again. You should check whether the sponsor has sponsored a partner before, how many times, and what the outcomes of those applications were. 2. Time gaps between sponsorships. Migration law also sets minimum time periods between earlier partner sponsorships and new ones, depending on the visa type and rules in force at the time. These rules help prevent repeated sponsorships in a short period, so reviewing the relevant dates is important. 3. When the sponsor was previously sponsored as a partner. If the current sponsor previously became a visa holder or permanent resident through a partner visa, additional waiting period limits may apply before they can sponsor a new partner. The exact requirements depend on the rules in place when you prepare your case, so you should consult official information. In some special situations, such as having children together or humanitarian factors, the law may allow exceptions, but these require clear submissions and are not always granted. A partner visa application must show a genuine relationship and also that the sponsor meets all relevant migration law requirements. If you are preparing a partner visa 820 or 309 and are unsure whether your sponsor meets the sponsorship limits, you can leave your contact details or send a message to discuss your situation further.